Alright guys, let me show you something cool on this Android radio, split screen mode. So first, I'm opening up the iGo Maps app. Nice and full screen, just like you'd normally use it. Now watch this. I tap the split screen button here. And then we can choose another app for the other half. Let's go with the video app. Now I've got navigation on the left, and video playback on the right. You can also put YouTube, or maybe your music app, down here instead. It works the same way. And if you ever want to exit split screen, just grab the divider in the middle and drag it all the way left or right. That'll close one side and bring the other app back to full screen. Just a heads up, not all apps work with split screen. So if you try one that doesn't, the system will actually pop up a message letting you know. But overall, it's super handy. Thanks for keeping an eye on it.